Hello everyone, today we have a 2006 Nissan Titan. It has the V8, 5.6 liter, has a clean looking engine. It's running smooth, so I'll go ahead and take it for a tour. This vehicle does have a clean title. It's a clean title trade-in, 4x4. Alloy wheels. Sliding back window. Also has plastic bed liner, backup camera, aftermarket, the tow package. This one has the SE package, so it'll have fabric seats. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. It's a gray fabric interior. Okay, and as we come down here, you'll see that it has 176,986 miles on it. So that's 176,000, by the way. As we come over here, you got your 2- and 4-wheel drive, got your ignition, comfort controls, you have your tow mode and your additional power supplies. Come over here, you've got your stereo. This is an aftermarket stereo, so I'm not totally familiar with everything that it does. But you can connect it through your phone via Bluetooth, and then of course you have your AM, FM. Cup holders, additional stowage down there as well. Your glove compartment, and then up above you have a number of different stowage spots in this vehicle. All right, and then that about wraps it up for this Nissan Titan. As I mentioned, this particular vehicle does have a clean title. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.